time. But these things are so good. Again, make them how y'all like them. That's the good thing about doing this yourself, is put what you like in them. What's up, soil brothers and soil sisters? Yeah, I was getting ready to make some candy. I said, why not bring you along? So, do you like turtles? They call it CrockPot Candy. I call them turtles. Anyhow, when you make them yourself, you can put anything you want in them. So some people like peanuts, some people like pecans, walnuts, almonds, cashew, whatever. Endless possibilities when it comes to making your own. So let's make a quick and easy holiday treat or everyday treat. These are good for birthday parties, holidays, or just because. So it's very simple. Most of us have a bunch of stuff in cabinets that we just open random packs of chocolate chips or melts or whatever and it get lost and it's just there. So this is a good way to use them. It doesn't take one specific kind, just use what you got. I got peanuts here because I always got peanuts around, so I'm gonna dump a good amount of peanuts in here. That's probably about 15 ounces or so, maybe a pound-ish of peanuts. So I dumped my peanuts in. Oh yeah, I did spray this with some olive oil first, my crock pot, and I have it on low. So I did go ahead and dump in my peanuts. Now I have chocolate, whichever chocolates I have. I do have a new one that I didn't open, and I'm just going to dump them in because it's just sitting there. I might as well. This is a semi-sweet, and I have, these are 3 different chocolates. So one is a milk chocolate. This is semi-sweet. I'm gonna put them in too. And one was a white chocolate. So just go through your cabinets, whatever you have, use it. These are Heath coffee bits. I'm gonna dump them in. I'm not gonna dump them all. Ain't look, we already going to 2025. And not with all these bags in the cabinet. And I have these, I did find this. These are just caramels. I'm going to use them too, so I can get them out of the cabinet. And again, everything in moderation. This is just a treat. We can walk around and have a turtle every now and then. So I'm going to unwrap these because they are individually wrapped. I'm going to unwrap a few of these and throw those in. And again, my pot is on low. I'm going to stick my top on here and I'm going to set my timer for 1 hour. And then I'm going to come back and check it. It usually doesn't take no more than an hour or so because basically all you're doing is melting your chocolates. So I'll come back in an hour, check it, mix it, and then we're going to throw these on a sheet pan. I might use a muffin tin just so you can see that there are so many ways you can do this. I do have molds too, maybe. And then we'll be back. So see y'all in an hour. All right, so it's been about an hour. I'm impatient. So it's been about 45 minutes. I'm gonna check. I think we good. So all you doing is waiting until everything melts. So we not cooking, and I wanted to make sure my caramels melted so I can incorporate these good. But you see how everything is just melted? All of everything. So all I'm going to do now is mix it. Oh, I wasn't even showing y'all. All I'm going to do now is mix them all together. Okie dokie. So that's what we're doing. Alright, so I'm mixing it all together. And again, it's really no measurements. You know, it's how much of whatever you want. I'm just using what we have so I can clean my cupboards out for 2025. But then we also have just a little treat around when we want it. So I have a sheet pan lined with a little parchment paper. I like using this. You can feel free to use a spoon or whatever you want to use. You can make these as big or as small as you like. I tend to like them on a smaller size, almost like a bite size, but that's a decent size there. So again, these are yours, and you can make them exactly how you want to make them. You can add anything to this: peanut butter, marshmallows. God, there's so many things you can do with this simple recipe. Very inexpensive. They make great gifts, and it's delicious. Man, you can make those that nougat that go inside the Snickers. Y'all already know that's one of my weaknesses, Snickers. So again, not the best choice in life, but it's a sweet treat. And right now it's the holidays, so we always talk about how you leave room to enjoy life. You know, you don't want to be so hard on yourself about everything. So these are one of those little things that we'll enjoy every now and then. You can stick these in the freezer, and they good. Again, make them and gift them, and then they ain't sitting around the house. So I got quite a bit in here. I'm gonna get these all scooped out, and I also have a muffin tin behind me that's lined. I'll show you that in a minute also. Alright, so now I have my muffin pan, and because I got still quite a bit in here, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to scoop some out. In my tins. So if I'm going to use sprinkles or something, because I can get real messy with like different types of sprinkles and stuff, and I don't like sprinkling stuff all on the counter. So if I'm going to use sprinkles, I put mine in this, I use this pan because I can control my crazy sprinkling. But again, you can do this for Christmas. You can do this for just because, with sprinkles, without sprinkles. You can do it for a birthday or Easter, anything. So easy, so delicious, and so inexpensive. And I also got some molds here. Just because I can pop some in that too, and all I'm doing is letting them solid up. So I'll show you that in a second. So I have my tins filled, and I got some sprinkles here. Put some sprinkles. Cute. And I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. And I am going to put some in here because I got some left. It only took an hour, basically. So I'm going to stick these in the refrigerator too. And we'll be back in about 10 minutes. All right, so we are all done. I got 3. I even got my molds over here. So let me set these to the side. And this is, I put them in this container It's just a little container with some paper in it, and they will come right off here. But they have little turtles. Excuse my kids. They trying to let me know it is almost dinner time. But these things are so good. Again, make them how y'all like them. That's the good thing about doing this yourself, is put what you like in them. 9 times out of 10, put what you already have in them. So I just pile them in here and stick them in the refrigerator. There you have homemade turtles, CrockPot Candy, whichever you want to call it. Quick and easy dessert. Quick, easy, and delicious treats. What's your favorite holiday treat? What's your favorite treat to make? These things are really, really good. We love them. So if you are not following or subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that follow button. Share this out. Somebody might want to make these because they are delicious. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. Have a blessed day. Happy holidays. Y'all have a blessed day and blessed holiday, and don't let nobody steal your joy.